Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag for February and March. So if you'd like to see all the goodies that I got, please keep watching. So I'm going to start off with February's box. So give you a quick glance. This is what we got. So I am a part of IPSY Open Studios, just in case you haven't seen any of my other IPSY unboxing videos. So they do send me these things, and I feel like I have to put a disclaimer in there. I was already subscribed to IPSY before they reached out to me to partner up with them, and I've been subscribed to them for 7 years. So I already love them and everything, so I already recommend IPSY overall, but just wanted to throw that out there. So let's start off with the IPSY Glam. This be my favorite IPSY bag ever. Look at that. That is so cute. It says sealed with a kiss. It's supposed to be like an envelope thing. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So the first thing in here is from MAC, and it's the cream sheen lipstick in the shade Sweet Sakura. Number 233. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I love MAC. I love MAC everything. Next we have the About Face, I believe is the brand. And this is the matte fluid eye paint. This looks interesting. I don't think I've ever tried a matte. Bold one swipe punch of color that delivers a rich buildable pigment. Long lasting, semi-matte, water resistant. Oh, wow. Smudge free, all the above. Oh. Okay, not only is this like my favorite IPSY bag, but this might be my favorite packaging of all time. Sorry, my nails look like crap, but how cute is this? Oh my gosh. This is seriously like the cutest package I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow. I cannot wait to try this. That is so cute. Then I got the One Kind Porefectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay with AHA and BHA. It says it's supposed to polish, purify, and brighten in minutes. Bye bye dead skin, hello glow. Next, I got this little teeny tiny Bite. I think it's a lipstick. Long wear lip stain in the shade Orange Fizz. Ooh, this is gonna be, sorry, I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's gonna be perfect for the summertime and the springtime with like a cute floral top or something. Then I got the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo. I haven't heard of this brand. This is in the shade Rose Gold and Ivory. Alright, so story of my life, my camera overheated, so I had to wait, but we were talking about this little eyeshadow duo, and I think it is really cute. I love that there's that really pretty kind of reddish brown matte shade with a shimmer. I think that's really pretty. Then the last thing from this bag is the Glam Glow Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Ooh, and it's called Glam Glow Bright Eyes. I'm actually using one of the Glam Glow moisturizers right now. I can't remember the name of it, but it's in a green metallic container. So yeah, I'm gonna pair this with that now. Okay, moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. The first thing in here is from the brand Beauty Stat, and it's the Universal C Skin Refiner. This says it has 20% vitamin C. It's for all skin types. It brightens, retexturizes, and firms. It says that over time, it improves skin smoothness, radiance, and is safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Interesting. Smooth over cleansed, dry skin, AM and PM. I usually get vitamin C peels when I get a facial done, so that's cool. Next, I have the Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. Wait, if this is the one that smells like lavender, I love this. I have to see, because if it's that one, it's my favorite. Yes! So this is the Hydro Biotic But yeah, this stuff smells like lavender. It smells so good, and I like legit love it. I used up a whole entire tube. You'll probably see it in like my empties video, but I was just thinking yesterday, because yesterday I used it up and I put it in my empties, and I was like, man, now I need to go buy another one. That's cool. I really like that stuff. This is a good one. So this is, okay, so I've tried the IT Cosmetics for Ulta brushes. Not a big fan. It's like the cheaper version of the IT Cosmetics brushes. And if you've ever seen the legit IT Cosmetics brushes, they are from a different world. Like, they are so soft, so fluffy, but they have a nice little price tag on them. They're like $40. I'm sure it's worth every penny, but like, I don't own any of the actual brushes until now. This is the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush, number 707. It says it has groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused in the brush hair. What? It says you can use it for liquid and cream foundations. Wow. Look at this. This is what dreams are made of. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try that out. Next, I told you guys in one of my other IPSY December and January unboxing that they're coming out with their new line of skincare, and it's called Refreshments. So they're going to be adding that in, or you can buy whatever you want from the refreshment line on their website, but they put in one of the things from that line, and this is the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream, and it's in the scent Citrus Spritz. I don't think I've ever tried. The only other, so right now I'm using a shave oil, which I like, but the only other kind of cream-ish shaving cream that I've used, the one that's not like a moussey aerosol one, is from EOS, and I really like it, so this will be nice. I've never, like I said, this will be the second time I've ever tried anything that was like kind of like a lotiony cream, shave cream. So I'm excited for that. Then I got the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. Ooh, that's what it looks like. And then this is the bag. So cute. And then this little bag's in there as well, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. So this says, banish boring routines with extra clean face and body essentials, sparkling clean ingredients. This says, show us how you get funky, some stickers. It's a razor kit. Oh, cool. So this says Luxe 5-blade razor kit. Pair with our pillowy shave cream. Okay. It says 5 blades for extra close shave, helps prevent bumps and burns. Built-in soothing strip. I'm gonna have to hide this from Frank because he's gonna try to steal it from me. He steals all my razors and it drives me absolutely insane. So I'm gonna have to hide this from him for sure. And okay, so this is what it looks like. So it has 2 razor heads, so that's great. Look how pretty this is. Who would have thought a razor could be pretty? Look at this. It's like lilac and green, and it's heavy too. That's really cute. And then it has like the little suction cup thing to put in your shower, which I need. I always have to put mine outside the shower. And then these are the razor heads. So it came with 2 of those. I'm super excited. Plus with summer coming up, I have to shave like every 3 to 4 days. So cute. So now I'm going to move on to my March IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to start off with the Glam Bag. So this is the bag. Super cute. So in here we have the Sela by Celine something. This is the Seed to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. Ooh, I'm all about like body scrubs at the moment because I've been self-tanning a lot. So I've been like exfoliating everything. So I'm super excited for that. Then we have St. Lux highlighter. I don't think I've heard of this. It's in the shade Rose Quartz. Ooh, look at this. Pretty, pretty. It looks pink with like a little bit of like gold flakes in it. Next up, we have the Cocoa Kind Resurfacing Sleep Mask. It says overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. That's what that looks like. And then the last thing in here is the KVD Lock-It Translucent Setting Powder. This little guy right here. I have tried this before, but I don't know if they kept the same formula. You know, because Kat Von D like sold her portion. I wonder if all the formulas stayed the same. Like, I have no idea. So I'm excited to try that out again in case it's different. So I'm going to move on to the stuff that's in this box. So, like I told you guys, they throw in some like extra stuff every now and then. So that's what some of this stuff is or whatever. So this is part of their refreshments line, which I've talked about before. So this is their deodorant. So we have this one right here. This is the Breezy deodorant in Eucalyptus Julep. What it looks like. Vegan, free of parabens, sulfates, and I'm running, like, this is like the best box for me right now because I'm literally running out of deodorant. So this is perfect. It says aluminum free and baking soda free, leaves you feeling extra fresh. So I have that one, and then I have the Breezy deodorant unscented. I don't think I've ever tried an unscented deodorant before. Next, I have the Refreshments Pearly Body Wash, and this is in the Citrus Spritz. So now I have the body wash, the body cream, and the hand cream all in this scent, and I think the shave cream too, that are all the same Citrus Spritz scent. So, you know me, I love everything, all my scents to match, so I'm about to just line them all up in the shower and use them all. Next, I have this eyeshadow palette from Belle and Argent. This is what it looks like. That's cool packaging. Let's see. I think it's an eyeshadow palette at least. Ooh, this looks like Elizabeth Arden like packaging. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. That shimmer shade. I feel like I got a lipstick from this brand before, but I'm not sure. Then I got some brushes. This is the MOTD Cosmetics eye brushes. Those look really nice. I need kind of some new eye brushes. They're the same eye brushes for a hot minute. These are cute. I love that they're pink. Then, ooh, okay, so I got the Perlice Silk Glow BB Base Primer. Oil-free satin natural glow finish, extends makeup wear for all skin types. That's what this looks like. Then I got the Way leave-in conditioner, which I have tried a few things from Way, but I don't think I've tried the leave-in conditioner. Next, we have something from Millie Bobby Brown, I believe is her name from Stranger Things. Her brand is Florence by Mills. I've never tried anything from her brand. This is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. You guys know how I feel about lip products. This just says apply whenever your lips are thirsty for moisture. And this is what it looks like. So maybe like a slight wash of color. And then the last thing is, I think it's from Addison Rae from TikTok, her brand. This is Item Beauty, and this is the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. Infused with aloe vera and tiger grass extracts to help calm and soothe, lavender and rose waters to help tone and brighten, and sodium hyaluronic to hold in moisture. It says bye to the bad. No fragrance, sulfates, or parabens, made with love. Vegan, cruelty free. And that's what this looks like. I haven't heard anybody, I guess I haven't really gone looking for it, but I haven't heard anybody talk about this brand, but this is like a really cute packaging. I like that. And then this is the Glam Bag Plus bag. Little women all over it. Super cute. So that's everything from my IPSY unboxing for February and March. Definitely keep a lookout for my April and May bags. I'm just gonna keep doing like 2 months at a time, so that way there's like more to show you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Big shout out to IPSY for sending me all of this like super cute. I'm like so excited to try out all of these little things, so thank you so much to them. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.